Sniffing out the truth. Fascinating facts about dogs. 1. There are more than 340 dog breeds. Humans have been domesticating dogs since ancient times. The first dog breeders utilized wolves to develop household dogs. Since ancient times, humans intentionally selected dogs for breeding to undertake different roles such as hunting, herding, and protection. More than 340 dog breeds are recognized globally. The American Kennel Club acknowledges 200 dog breeds. The physical characteristics, behavior, and gait ideal for each breed are outlined in a written document known as a breed standard. Dog pedigrees generally belong to one of three categories. Purebreds are dogs that are bred from a specific lineage and adhere to breed standards. Mixed breeds are distinct from hybrids, as there is usually no intention to select for specific characteristics in mutts. Hybrid breeds are formed by mating two purebreds to merge the finest qualities from both progenitors. 2. A dog's ability to smell is much stronger than ours. The region of brain cells responsible for detecting various odors is approximately 40 times greater in dogs compared to humans. This indicates that your dog is able to detect significantly more scents than we ever can. Depending on the breed, a dog's olfactory ability is 10,000 to 100,000 times more powerful than that of a person. This is due to the fact that dogs possess approximately 300 million olfactory receptors, in contrast to our mere 6 million, and their nasal tissue is roughly 30 times greater than ours. This ability is what enables dogs to excel at locating our individuals, narcotics, and firearms. 3. Along with their noses, their hearing is supersensitive. Dogs are recognized for their sharp auditory skills. They are able to perceive sounds beyond the range of human hearing, and their auditory sensitivity is greater than that of humans. Dogs can detect sounds that fall outside the higher and lower frequency limits experienced by humans. One of the most noteworthy aspects of a dog's hearing is their capacity to pinpoint sounds. Dogs can identify the exact position of a sound with remarkable precision. This is due to the fact that dogs possess two ears located on either side of their head. When a sound arrives at one ear before the other, the time gap enables the dog's brain to determine the direction of the sound source. This is why dogs excel at finding the location of prey or threats. 4. Dogs can comprehend up to 200 words and signals. Dogs can comprehend and react to more than 200 words and commands. They are capable of counting to 4 or 5 and performing basic arithmetic, placing them at the level of a typical 2-year-old. Similar to a toddler, these skills can differ among dogs. Research indicates that the most intelligent breeds are Border Collies, Poodles, and German Shepherds. Intelligence is divided into 3 categories: instinctual, adaptive, and functional/compliance. Proper training and regular communication can improve a dog's comprehension of language. Employing simple commands and positive reinforcement can assist your dog in picking up new words and responding correctly. 5. They are fast and can beat a cheetah. In a long-distance race, a greyhound would indeed outpace a cheetah. Cheetahs are famous for their remarkable speed and quick acceleration, reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, while the quickest dog breed, the greyhound, can attain speeds of 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Nevertheless, the greyhound possesses greater stamina, allowing it to sustain a fast pace over a longer distance. Cheetahs are capable of running twice as quickly as greyhounds, yet they can only sustain their 70 miles per hour speed over short distances. The slower greyhound, which runs at 35 miles per hour, can cover approximately 7 miles, allowing it to surpass the cheetah. While cheetahs are capable of greater speeds, greyhounds can take the victory. 6. Dogs possess an inherent tendency to dig. Digging is instinctive for dogs, but when it becomes harmful, it can lead to issues. Dogs dig for multiple reasons, and it generally relates to their instincts. Certain breeds, particularly terriers and hounds, have been developed to excavate for small animals. Some individuals might excavate to establish a pleasant resting place during warm days, or to conceal cherished items. Excavating can serve as a release for surplus energy or a method to deal with monotony. When dogs do not receive enough mental engagement or physical activity, they might resort to digging for amusement. Although your dog has valid reasons for digging, It's reasonable that you prefer not to have holes wherever your dog travels. After learning the reason your dog is digging, you can attempt a more specific method. Every dog is unique, and the solution should be customized according to their specific temperament. He additionally emphasizes training in an encouraging way. 7. Yawning is contagious even for dogs. Numerous theories exist regarding why yawning spreads among humans, frequently referred to as a result of social mirroring, where people replicate the behaviors of others within a group. Yawning, a behavior both simple and fascinating, carries an unusual secret. It's contagious not only among people but also between humans and their dogs. Studies indicate that the sound of a person yawning can provoke a yawn in a dog. Contagious yawning is a phenomenon that offers intriguing insights into the social and emotional bonds between us and our dogs. In any case, the process that explains contagious yawning in both humans and dogs is probably based in the mirror neuron system, a brain component essential for empathy and comprehending the actions and intentions of others. 8. Dogs are able to detect human feelings. As human beings, we experience a range of emotions: happiness, sorrow, rage, astonishment, compassion, pity, faith, affection, and jealousy. We occasionally struggle to identify our own emotions, yet it appears that our dogs can easily understand our feelings. They can perceive our feelings, interpret our facial cues, and even track our pointing motions. This sensitivity relates to their capacity to see, smell, hear, and sense. Certain researchers think that dogs, similar to young children, can be influenced by emotional contagion. This skill is thought to stem from millennia of domestication and living closely with humans. Dogs have developed the ability to interpret our emotional signals as a means of survival, making them highly observant companions.